your reactions on it?
Nothing is under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The country is all rallying behind the Honorable Prime Minister, and our total support and prayers to the Honorable Prime Minister to take on the infiltrators and people who have done damage to our country in a very big way. And I think the operations are very successfully conducted under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, and our prayers are with the Honorable Prime Minister. The country is all rallying behind the Honorable Prime Minister in these times.
सर सीटीपी सस्पेंड केल्लो पळय तो न्यू सीटीपी बीन हे करपाचे आहा पण करपाचे
कितें आहा ते विशय मुख्यमंत्री कडेन ऑलरेडी चर्चा केल्या थोड्या वेळान तुमकां कळटलें कितें.
Okay, and second thing is that ह्या तालिगांव उज्याचो खूब विशय जाला सर.
I know I asked the forest warden also to investigate immediately, and I told the
इवन सर ते स्वरूप टाटायज खुबशे मेले
report आयला, and we are looking into it. I'll also talk to Madam Jennifer and discuss with her what is the method we should adopt. I'll have to take her into confidence. I'll take her into confidence, and also Honorable Minister Revenue Babush Mansara, I'll take him also into confidence. And in case they require any support from the Forest Department or from any of our departments, we'll support it fully to not to allow these things to happen.
Okay, thank you.